if I give up the seat I've been saving to some elderly lady or man? Am I being a good boy? Am I your pride and joy? Mother, please, if you're pleased to say I am. And if while in the course of my duty I perform an unfortunate tape, would you punish me so, unbelievably so? Never again will I make that mistake. This feeling inside me could never deny me the right to be wrong if I choose. And this pleasure I get from, say, winning a bet is to lose. When I'm drinking that Bonaparte shandy, eating more than enough apple pie, will I glance at my screen and see real human beings starved to death right in front of my eyes? Nothing old, nothing new, nothing ventured, nothing gained, nothing stillborn or lost, nothing further than proof, nothing wilder than youth, nothing older than time, nothing sweeter than wine, nothing physically, recklessly, hopelessly blind, nothing I can say, nothing why, 'cause today nothing right, nothing Let's not fight it anymore. Unpack the bags and close the door, 'cause I'll never leave you. Though you lied right from the start, I can convince my foolish heart not to believe you. You've got two good men strung out, and there's not the slightest doubt, oh, that other guys have loved you before. But you work your thing so well, I'll dream of heaven and live in hell till I can't take it anymore. If I had 1 ounce of pride, I'd stand up or step aside, but girl, I love you. So I accept the clumsy drop, 'cause I'm a fool and I can't stop or rise above you. Let him speak up for himself, I'll speak up for me and no one else, 'cause I'm a beggar knocking at your door. Oh, you work your thing so well, I'll dream of heaven and live in hell till I can't take it anymore. I'm too far gone to turn around, to leave myself up off the ground and start all over. Now here I must win or lose, no matter which one you may choose. while you're making up your mind, I'll be praying all the time, praying that you won't be letting me go. Yes, you work your thing so well, I'll dream of heaven and live in hell till I can't take it anymore. Yes, you work your thing so well, I'll dream of heaven and live in hell till I can't take it anymore.